I want to take a short walk around the backyard today. Wonderful day, beautiful sun, good colors. This is about as good as the oaks get around here. We have a majority of oak. And it's really nice this year. Pretty shades. And the weather's held off long enough for the leaves to really turn. Take a short walk and see what's happening in the woods. Sorry for the car noise in the background. People seem to think that the louder the car is, the faster it goes and the cooler it is. Nothing much you can do about that. Hello chickens, how are you today? Oh, that's good to hear. Everything okay in there? Okay, carry on. Doing a little leaf blowing earlier today. Saw how beautiful it was and I decided just to stop and make a video. I got an early start on firewood this year. One stack there is done. The rest of this is from a year and a half ago. It's getting ready to be processed again, split down a little and cut the length. Two more stacks here. Some junk pieces that my buddy that has a boiler will take. They burn just about anything, so he'll take them. Another one here that's been here at least 2 years. This I'm really not quite so sure where it came from. I think there's a lot of maple in here. I got an early start on my leaves this year. That's a pile that I've done. Some I mowed with the riding mower and some I blew up in piles and took away with the trailer. Let's go down the left road here. It's usually when I don't go down too much unless I'm hauling firewood out of the woods. These blew down a couple years ago. They kept the house plenty warm for a while. The third one over there is hard to see. There's only one left. And it's pretty sick. When it falls, it's going to do some damage. I just ran the leaf blower down through these trails to get the leaves off. That way I'll stand a better chance of catching a deer back here. The rustle and bustle of the leaves, whatnot. It's not a good thing. Another one I took down last year. The weather's exceptionally warm for this time of year. It's about 73, 74 degrees. Some more wood here for the neighbor. As soon as he's feeling a little bit better, I'll bring it over and we'll be able to stack it up in his little shed in the back for him to use. That's the end of my property line right here where I'm standing. But the neighbor lets me come over here and do just about anything I want. I help him clean up. I help him mow in the summertime. He's got a tree here that's leaning really bad. I expect that to blow over in the windstorm. The root ball is starting to pull up out of the ground. It's really got some lean to it now. Neighbor saw an 8-point buck back here the other day. I haven't seen him. I've seen a lot of 4s, 6-pointers, a bunch of does. There are a lot of rubs around here. I seem to prefer the cedars, small cedars, and they'll just tear them up. Somebody's out with an ATV, I hear. Beautiful time of the day. Beautiful time of the year. Wonderful weather. Perfect day. Who could ask for more? Ooh, Harley. Another fork in the road. This one just goes around and loops. Here's my favorite place to be. A contemplation bench. Behind a little patch of mountain laurel. Beautiful trees all around. A little bit of water for the birds there. There's the bird feeder. Wonderful place to sit and contemplate life and what's going on. In the summertime, you can't see anything but leaves. When the leaves are off, you can see the neighbor's house. Deer cam. That's the problem with trespassers here. That's why I had to put signs up specifically on my bench. Ooh, I better stop and get that firewood one of these days. That birdhouse right there is the reason why I started to put metal washers around the entrance doors to the birdhouses. The squirrels come and just chew the wood out and make it their home. The birds won't go in it anymore. The hole's too big. One that I lost last year. Another one I lost last year. It's a beautiful mushroom that's been growing on it. We're just on the loop now, going around the back of the bench, heading back towards the house. We're back. Thanks for watching.